Hey there guys, and welcome back to the Beardy Man Craft Beer channel, where we talk all things homebrewing. Today we are going to be diving into the top 5 fermenters for 2025. Products that can make a huge difference in your brewing journey. We're going to look at cost, build quality, functionality, and all those important add-ons to help you pick the perfect fermenter. Now guys, before we jump into the top 5 fermenters for 2025, I want to conduct a very quick social experiment. Here I have a homebrew that was given to me by a friend of mine, not to be mentioned, he asked, and that is fine. And here we have a commercial beer. I am going to start with the homebrew. Nice sound there. And I want to pour that, okay? And the very first thing with this I want to show you is the, I guess the color of this, this homebrew. Here is the commercial beer, and I'm going to do exactly the same. Okay, so you can see that there's a difference in the appearance. The homebrew, as you can see, is slightly more murky, okay? Head retention, you can see that the head retention on the homebrew has pretty much disappeared. Now with regards to aroma, this smells nice, fruity and tropical. Yep. And for the commercial beer, oh wow, yeah, I'm getting a proper bang of floral notes, very hoppy on the nose. And taste-wise, it's nice, yeah. It has been oxidized. Flavors are slightly muted on this one. And the flavors on this one, very powerful, very impactful. Really feel it on the palate. There's a difference between the mouthfeel. Now at this point you're probably saying, well, one is a homebrew and one is a commercial beer. Well, the thing is, guys, the reason for this social experiment is this is a clone of this beer. And I wanted to highlight a number of things, from the first thing being the appearance. This beer has been oxidized during the process, and I've been told that from, let's call him Homebrewer X. Homebrewer X says, okay, yeah, I tried to make this beer. It's slightly oxidized. Tell me what you think. I had a bottle last night, and you can see as well the color difference between the two. Head retention, you can see this has kept its head, this has lost its head. Notes on the nose, I'm getting a very powerful whack of hops and floral notes from this. This is nice. I've no issues with this beer. It is nice, but the difference between the two, there's quite a difference there. There is quite a difference. And this is what I'm trying to showcase with regards to fermentation, is bridging the gap between homebrew and commercial brew. Now, one of the very important things that you can do here is to upgrade your fermentation. And this is where these 5 fermenters come into play. At number 5, we have the Brewtech Chronical fermenter. This one's a fantastic entry point for beginners. It's lightweight, made of BPA-free plastic, and comes with handy features like a spigot, an airlock, and stick-on thermometer. Cost-wise, it's one of the most affordable fermenters out there, making it ideal if you're just dipping your toes into homebrewing. Now that said, it's best for smaller batches, and it doesn't offer the durability or versatility of the higher end models, but for simple, straightforward brewing, it's a great choice. At number 4, we got the Anvil Bucket Fermenter. Now, this is a step up from the Brew Demon, made of stainless steel. It's tough, easy to clean and comes at a price that won't break the bank. It's perfect for those who want durability without the hefty price tag. Now, it doesn't have the advanced features like pressure fermentation, but the optional spigot and temperature stripe make it a solid upgrade for beginners looking to move to intermediate brewing. Now guys, coming in at number 3, we have the Spike Flex Plus. This one's for serious homebrewers who love customization. The heavy duty stainless steel build is top notch, and the tri-clamp system allows you to adapt it to your specific needs. Want a temperature control coil? You got it. Need a pressure kit? No problem. Now, the only downside is the price. It's on the higher end, but the modular design and longevity make it worth every penny if you're brewing regularly. And in at number 2, we got the SS Brewtech Chronical, a stainless steel beauty that's built to last. Now guys, I've mentioned this fermenter in the past, and I'm going to continue to highlight it throughout 2025. This fermenter features a conical design which makes yeast harvesting and trub removal an absolute breeze. It's also compatible with advanced add-ons like temperature control systems and pressure kits, giving you loads of flexibility. Yes, okay, the cost is on the higher side, but if you're looking for professional level performance in your homebrew setup, this fermenter delivers and should be highly considered. Alright guys, and here it is. My number 1 fermenter for 2025 is the Fermzilla 55 litre all-rounder with pressure kit and hop bong. This is the ultimate fermenter that checks every box for me. The Fermzilla 55 all-rounder isn't just a fermenter, it's an absolute game changer for homebrewers of all levels. Designed with versatility, functionality and value in mind, this fermenter stands out for its ability to handle everything from standard fermentation to advanced techniques like pressure fermentation. Its 55 litre capacity is perfect for brewing the larger batches while still being compact enough to fit into most brewing setups. Made from high quality PET PET plastic, the Fermzilla is lightweight yet durable, capable of holding up to 35 psi of pressure for a wide range of brewing styles. So why the pressure kit matters? The pressure kit transforms the Fermzilla into a true powerhouse. With this kit you can ferment under pressure, surpassing unwanted esters and other aromas, resulting in clearer and consistent flavours, especially for lagers and other delicate styles. You can also carbonate during fermentation. This saves time and streamlines your process by naturally carbonating your beer while it ferments. You can perform oxygen-free transfers using the pressure to push your beer directly into the kegs without exposing it to oxygen, preserving that freshness and flavour. Now guys, to move on to the importance of the hop bong. Dry hopping is a brewer's secret weapon for adding vibrant hop aroma and flavour. However, exposing to oxygen during dry hopping can lead to oxidization, dulling those bright hop characteristics and giving your beer a stale cardboard-like taste. Now, this is where the hop bong shines, oxygen-free dry hopping. The hop bong allows you to add hops during fermentation without introducing any oxygen. Simply load it, pressurize it, and release the hops directly into the fermenter. Your beer will retain its bold, aromatic hop profile, perfect for styles like IPAs, pale ales, or any brew where hops take center stage. One of the standout features of the Fermzilla 55 litre all-rounder is its large conical yeast dump container at the bottom. This ingenious design allows you to easily collect and remove yeast and trub without disturbing the rest of your beer. So by isolating the sediment, you can keep the fermenter clean and your beer crystal clear. It's also perfect for yeast harvesting, letting you to reuse healthy yeast for future batches. A great way to save money and maintain consistency in your brewing. So whether you're fine-tuning a recipe or experimenting with yeast strains, this feature adds a level of precision and convenience that every home brewer will appreciate. So why is the Fermzilla my number 1? Combining these features, the Fermzilla 55 litre all-rounder is a fermenter that does it all. Its versatility and advanced capabilities let you push your brewing techniques to new heights. Whether you're after oxygen-free fermentation, natural carbonation, or maximizing hop flavor, this fermenter delivers professional level results at a fraction of the cost of stainless steel alternatives. Guys, if you're serious about brewing, the Fermzilla isn't just a tool, it's an investment in better beer. Now, I'm absolutely delighted to get my hands on the Fermzilla 55 litre, and I want to give a big shout out to two massive influencers and advocates in the homebrew industry. First up, Keith Doherty from Kegland, who has kindly sent me on the Fermzilla to try, and by God will I what. Please do check out and subscribe to Keith Doherty's YouTube channel for Kegland. Hit the link, whichever side it's on. And secondly, a big shout out to Rob from the Malt Miller. Again, be sure to check out and subscribe to the Malt Miller's YouTube channel. Thanks, Rob, for organising the delivery of the Fermzilla from the guys at the Malt Miller, a big distributor and seller of everything to do with Kegland. And that's it, guys, my top 5 fermenters for 2025. Thanks once again for watching, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification for more notifications on upcoming videos. Guys, do use the comment section down below and let me know what fermenter that you use, what fermenter you might be looking at upgrading to. If you have any questions on the Fermzilla, I will be featuring it in quite a lot of my upcoming content. Guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Keep it real and cheers, and all the love from Ireland. Sláinte.